a wig.
It's not a wig.
Why is it not a wig?
Because when I tried to pull it, didn't
Try to pull it. This is a wig. Kayla.
It's not a wig.
This is a wig.
No, it's not.
Girl, come touch, like this is a wig.
It feels like one, but it's not one when you try to pull it.
It's a wig, Kayla. It's not my hair.
It's not a wig.
Y'all, if you want to see how I install this wig, stay tuned.
It's not a wig.
It is a wig. Everyone, welcome to my channel, Just Ria. If you are new here, welcome. I am Ria, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So I know you guys seen that last video, and it was all about LuvMe hair. So this video is going to be all about the install. I know y'all see my hair looking all a mess, but that's okay because we're going to get it fixed, hopefully, in this video. So hopefully if I like it, then you guys, I will, you know, wear this for my birthday. Now I'm just gonna comb my hair down out my ponytail, and we're just gonna get started, you guys. Just bear with me. So I feel like the sides are fine. It's just, this is fine. I don't care about that. It's just when I get up in here, I need it to be a little bit more deeper for this hair that I'm having to leave out. I'm gonna just use the rubber band from the wig because I promise y'all I'm not going nowhere. This is just strictly for video purposes only tonight. So we got it in the hole. All right, so we're gonna clip down this part right there. We're gonna clip down the middle. And then we're gonna clip down this part, but we're gonna make sure, okay, it's nice and snug. And then we're gonna clip down the back. Get my hair in there first. So I will say, y'all, it fits. You're gonna have to do the adjustable strap because it fits loose. So I'm adjusting it using the adjustable strap now to keep it in place. At least I think I am. There it is. Okay. So here we go. This is where we're at. It's all snug. Okay. So I'm going to take this piece out and then let's put a little curl in it. Oh, y'all, look how that blends. All I did was just put a light little curl in it. Okay. Where'd I go now? All right. So we got that in there. Now for this part, I'm gonna break it down into sections, y'all. Okay. Y'all, I think I'm done. Like, I really think I'm done. All right. So this is how I'll be walking out the house. Well, hold that thought. Okay, this is how, yeah, this is exactly how I would be walking out the house. Now, I will say, most of the time, I'm wearing my glasses. I wear my glasses a lot. So I'm gonna take my contacts off and just see how I like it with my glasses. Okay guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below. Is this wig a pass or a fail? How do you guys think it looks? I cannot tell you guys how it wears, but I'm pulling my hands through it to see, you know, if there's any shedding, and there is none. No shedding. Like, I thought that was a piece, but no, there is nothing. Nothing is coming out with this wig. Where's the comb? I can comb this wig. Look, there's nothing. Oh, that's my hair. Hold on. Let me give y'all a real test. Okay, there's like one little bitty string, but compared to, and y'all can't see it, that's just how minimal it is. But compared to other wigs that I have had where shedding is like straight out the box, y'all, this is very minimal shedding. The curls, look, I'm pulling it, the curls bounce right back. Like, and then this is 10-inch. So this is like where I kind of like my hair to sit. I don't really like long hair. The longest length I will go is probably 14 inches, 16 inches max, and that's pushing it for me. But I'm liking the length. I'm liking the just the way that it blends. I really do feel like you could do a lot, because you could do a lot with your front and just blend it in the rest of the way. But I'm liking it, y'all. I'm really liking it. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. If you have tried this wig before, let me know. If you want to try this wig, I will put the link in the description box. If you want to see everything that I got in the box, remember I told you guys it will be in the eye. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig right now. Like, I'm gonna do a wear test for y'all all week next week. Well, this week, I think, yeah. I think I'm gonna do a wear test like all this week and just see how it wears out, because you know, like when you out and during the day and you get to sweating and stuff, like how is this gonna hold up? Like, is this gonna be all knotted up on the back of my neck or what? Like, how is it going to perform during the day? Because it can perform great and all 5 stars on this camera, but out there in the humidity, because I'm in Bama, out there, how is it going to react to the weather? Like, is this hair gonna frizz? And y'all, the density, like, it's a thick wig. It's thick. I really like it. I'm starting to like it even more. Like, so I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all before March, okay? You will know if this wig is a pass or a fail, for real, because right now it's pass, but we ain't did no full review yet. This is just a try on. But give me until February 28th, maybe a little bit before that. I'm gonna tell y'all, because right now it's the 20th, right? Yeah, February 20th. So we got time. We got time. So I will see y'all. Give me 6 to 7 days, and I will let you know the tea on this wig. All right. Ooh, we can put in some pigtails. It like, you can do a lot. Would y'all like for me to show y'all like different, like do different hairstyles? If I can, because I'm not that good with doing hair. So, I mean, you may get 2 or 3 max in a 7-day span, okay? But I'm definitely rocking with this. Like, I feel like my hair blends very well with it. Just put a little bounce to it, put a little curl to it. Girl, you out the door. What? All All right, that's enough, y'all. I'm gonna play with this wig a little bit more off camera, but thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you in the next video. That's it. I'll see y'all later. Bye.